Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ian, and this is a cast! I had to wear this for 3 weeks, which is actually way better than 6 weeks or 5 weeks. So I was running, and then I accidentally fell, and I hit my wrist, this wrist, really hard on the cast iron pellet stove we have. Oh, and I got a bunch of signatures on it. The reason I'm telling you this is because in this video we are going to be building a case for this cast, because like a display for a cast, because I finally have it off, and it was because of something. I don't know. I just wanted to build a case for it.
So first things first, a trip to the lumberyard.
We found it! We found it!
That's the board you want?
Yes.
Yes.
And once we get it home, I wanted to show him how to mark up rough lumber.
We don't have the glass yet.
And here we are remapping out where we want to place the top, bottom, sides, etc., working around the defects. Then it's off to the table saw. And this is one of the times cleaning out these grooves where I'm really happy I put in a gap stop in the middle of my workbench. Next up, sanding. And it's goofball. Smooth out some of the edges. And I should explain here that when we glued this up, my initial intent was to glue the top, not the bottom, so that we could screw the bottom on in case the glass ever needed to be replaced. So we accidentally glued the bottom though. So we screwed the top, and you'll see in a bit that I came up with a piece to kind of camouflage the screw holes when you look at it from the front. and a little hand-over-hand guidance at the bandsaw. And here I'm smoothing out the piece that I'll use as a decorative piece to camouflage those screw holes that I mentioned before. It's time for finish. We use Waco Danish oil. Alright folks, I hope you enjoyed that one. It's really super cool when when your kids comes to you with a project idea of something they want to make, and you can spend some real good quality time together in the shop. I really enjoyed it. It was just a lot of fun. So I'm not going to ramble on too long because I know Ian wants to close this one out with some of his comments and a quick tour of the display case.
Hey! Ian, the Woodlab here. Today, I am going to show you this. This is my cast case. This cast case is finished now, and I'm going to show you a cool thing about it. This is the cast in there with 1,000 signatures from. So yeah, the cool thing is back here, you can slide it up, and then yeah. Ta-da! Oh yeah, I got the idea for the cast case from one of those trophy case things. So I wanted to make like a little tribute to my cast. It's like one of those jewelry TV channels where they spin around the jewelry, the bracelet. Let's go through it again. So yes, it is finally finished. I'm glad that I got to do this, and now the cast case is finished. I hope you like this. I hope you think it looks good. Ding! Bye. And now it's the Sick Cause sitcom. Yay!